Hey, I'm Dave, your farmer from Wrong Direction Farm. Today and yesterday I've been installing some fence posts out here in the back pasture. So we use a rental piece of equipment for that. It's a post pounder. This one's actually a newer model that the rental place has. It's a vibratory head, so you put it on top of the fence post and it just vibrates it right into the ground. We sink our posts about 4 feet deep, so digging these by hand or even using an auger on the back of a tractor, they always get hung up on rocks. So we found that post pounder is really the most efficient and effective way to get posts into the ground and have them anchored there for the long term. So it's always a big job to get the posts in. We try to gang up a bunch of work to do at once when I rent this equipment, so make the best use of the rental fee. And then afterwards I'll go out here with some galvanized wire and start stringing it up between the posts and get some more fences up.